All right, it's another day, another high tunnel day. We have some farm friends helping us out today, so you're gonna see them. You saw the other day we got 3 trusses up, so let's see how far we get today on the high tunnel. It's gonna be like 92, so it's early. We're trying to get a start and get as much done as we can before it gets too hot. Josh, can you tell me again what the plan is for the day?
Oh my.
Real quick. Well, just for now. Temporary plan.
Yeah, so day 2, we're assembling the ribs / trusses. Probably gonna assemble like 3-4 of them at a time and then put them into the series up here. So they'll get tipped up and installed.
Because we figured out it takes a long time to kind of get them in place once they're up. So it's better to have several.
Well, and going back and forth. So if we can knock out like this in like 4 of them and then take a break from being down on your hands and knees and then doing something different.
Yeah.
So it helps just to kind of keep the process going because it's fresh in your head.
Okay.
But like I said, we did figure out some base numbers for assembly. So we did 61 inches from the end of the support member to make all of the truss supports kind of more equal and uniform on the way down. So we have some set numbers that just helps it to be easier to get it done. And we got help today, so
yeah,
get to work.
Brian, say hi. All right, we got Katie back here. Okay, you guys, this is the second time you've been here. And what's kind of just your perspective? Why did you guys want to come out and be a part of the farm, helping and just learning? What's your goal here being here?
We want to get a farm of our own, but before we do, we want to make sure we know what to do with the animals. We were helping out at another farm, but it's good to have, different perspectives.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
I think you guys are doing more of like what we want to do.
Yeah.
Like more regenerative. And
yeah, you're wanting to do garden, animals.
Yes.
Free range kids.
Exactly, all of the above. So we just want to learn, and
yeah.
you guys are willing to teach, we'll
Absolutely.
take it.
And you guys have been willing to just jump in there, get your hands dirty.
Yeah.
Katie was just mucking the stalls with Julianne, so that's just part of the deal.
Yeah.
Brian, you got anything to add? What is your first priority? Like, if you guys get a farm, what do you consider like your number one first thing to do?
Get the long-term stuff set up.
Like what? You think like fruit trees and stuff?
Trees are going to take a long time. Get some mulch down. Kids want chickens. I feel like that's an easy start.
Well, and eggs, my goodness. It's like the best thing ever.
They are some of our favorites.
The other thing is we don't really know where to start. That's why
you're here.
we're here, right? So to figure out
we're showing them the good, the bad, the ugly.
Yeah.
We appreciate you guys coming to help.
We're always happy to help.
Yeah, we like it.
So technically day 3, full day of the high tunnel. Josh and Will have been out here working a few hours here and a few hours there. We had a little hiccup today.
We have 2 pieces of a truss not delivered.
That we're missing. We have everything except for 2.
It was 2 of the 72-inch poles.
That's not bad, I guess, out of all the pieces.
There's
so
a lot of them, yeah.
I think the rest of the trusses are down here on the ground, pretty much put together.
Yep.
You think we'll be able to get them all up today?
Yeah, these should be able to get up except for that one with the missing pieces.
Yeah, the last one.
So, and then we need to get this, we had this storm last night and it kind of racked, you know, everything's not, there's still like some final cross pieces and all that stuff that would need to be put up, so.
Yeah, there was an actual tornado on the ground, like
Yeah,
a couple towns over.
Just like 20 miles from here, so.
Tore up some houses and stuff, so.
So we need to rack everything, get it all ready. Then we'll be able to, once that gets all squared up, we can get ready for the end walls because we have to use some lumber for the end walls and it's windy today. So we did find out too that our truss support systems are every other truss. So
we fixed that.
Yeah. So that's getting,
because that would have been an option, right? To do every support, and we kind of went back and forth.
yeah, it was a cost thing, and then on top of it, you can do it kind of after the fact. So if by chance we start to see where it's not rigid enough, you can put in.
This one has the full support. The next one does not. Okay, so good news is they didn't short us 2 poles. We put together something wrong. So we discovered that, took it apart, put it back together the right way, and we're on the last ridge pole. So let's put it up. Tons of work done on the high tunnel. It's looking really good, but there's still so much to do. It's funny because we had, like in Illinois, drought conditions, you know, all these drought warnings. And then suddenly now after, I don't know how long it's been, like a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks of extreme rain, like every day, thunderstorms, bad storms. Actually, it put us back a little bit. I mean, we finished putting up all of the trusses, but everything got racked. So you can see here, well, you can kind of see it maybe. We have it tied off so that hopefully if another storm like that comes, it doesn't rack everything. So anyway, we went from drought conditions to flood conditions in a matter of like a week. And so I think it's supposed to rain today again. It's so humid. I don't know how you Florida people do it, but it's so humid, and it's supposed to rain today, but then I think we get a break. So hopefully we can finish everything out. Like I said, a lot of work has been done already, but there's still a lot to do. You know, Josh isn't here with me right now. He's doing work somewhere else, but I know at some point we got to get the plastic on, and I know we have to frame out. Each end has, you know, end walls, end doors of some sort that we have to put the frame up on both ends for that. So yeah, all of that is ahead as soon as this weather cooperates. I'm excited. I mean, we knew it would take time to set up, but it's not, I mean, I think we're making good progress. So yeah, stay tuned to see the finished product coming soon.